Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 15. Write a program to print all possible combinations of three uppercase letters from A to ZZZ. For example, the output should to be A, B, C, D, E till ZZZ. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this requirement of this code on Visual Studio. Let's go to Visual Studio. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 15. Write a program to print all possible combinations of three uppercase letters from A to ZZZ. First, let's do run to understand or see how the program look like. Once I did run, the compiler directly print for me all the letters from A to ZZZ. Still the compiler is printing perfect to ZZZ. If you go up, we will not find all the letters because the buffer, as I explained it in the previous course or the course number 1, I think, the buffer is not enough. So the compiler already print for us from A to BBB to CCC until arrive to these letters MRY and flush the buffer, which is like delete the first letters because the buffer it's small, it's not enough to print all the letters from A to ZZZ. So flush the buffer, which is like delete the previous letters that already print them and complete to print for you the rest of the letters. All right, and if you want to understand what is buffer, check the lesson of buffer or /n, I think an end line in the first course or second course, I forget. So now let's go to the code to see how we build this program. We just have one procedure, print all three letters combinations. It's named like this. Let's open it. Perfect. You have cout less than /n for new line, and after that you have integer I equals 65. 65 is represent a capital letter according to ASCII table, as we explained in the first course, I think. And we have three while statements, like nested while statement, but three this time, not two. While I less than 90 represents letter Z or character Z. I store inside what? 65, or I represent sorry, I represent 65. 65 less than 90. Sure, go inside the first while statement and check the second while statement. J less than 90. J also we assign to it 65, which is also represent a capital letter. J less than 90. True, so go to check the third while statement. K less than 90. Yes, because also K we assign to it 65, which is represent a capital letter according to ASCII table. And here in the third while statement, while K less than 90, it's true, compiler will go inside the third while statement and execute this line of code. Cout less than, char I still represent 65, which is char A, print A for us, and char J also represents 65, print also another A, and char K also still represent here 65. But after that, the compiler will increase the K by 1 by using plus plus operator, K plus plus. K already represents 66, and 66 according to ASCII table is represent letter P or character B. So 66 less than 90, true, so the compiler will go inside the third while statement and execute the same line of code. Char I it will remain 65, we still not increase it, which is like letter A. Char J also it will remain 65 because we still not increase it, but K already increased it after the first process. So K already represent now number 66 or character B. So it will be B for second time, and it will be after that C because we increased the K by 1. So on until the third while loop condition statement become false. The compiler will go out of this third while loop and increase the J by 1. J already represents 66, which is letter B or character B, and do this line, and after that I plus plus also it will represent letter B or character B, and get back again 66 less than 90. Yes, go inside the second while loop. J already represents 66 because we increase it here, which is letter B less than letter Z or 90. Yes, go to the third while statement. K less than 90. Yes, so print for me char I already represent what? 66, which is letter or character B. So print B, and J also B. So B B A, B B B, B B C, B B D until the compiler print for you till Z Z Z. You will tell me what is the benefits from this stupid logic and this procedure. I will tell you I'm sorry, just hold on, it will help us in the next problem. All right, and also I wanted to get used about the while statements or for statements, because we always take just two while statements or two for loops or two do while loops together. So I would like you to know that we can put also more than two statements. We could put like statements, and in the end it's called nested statements. All right, and also we'll use this logic in the next problem, and you will see its benefits. So that was the problem of today, problem number 15. Write a program to print all possible combination of three uppercase letters from A to Z. See you next problem, next lesson.